Hey there! Did you know that you could get paid to spend time on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube? As you know, businesses of all sizes are getting a presence on social media sites right now. Think of how many business profiles you've seen on Facebook and Twitter for all types of businesses, right from the big giants like McDonald's and Coca-Cola down to your local hardware store. Every business is trying to get attention on social media sites and get more fans, likes, tweets, and followers. All of this takes time, knowledge, and persistence, which many business owners are short on because they're busy with the day-to-day running of their businesses. So they're outsourcing all of this work on the social media sites such as Facebook and Twitter to other people. To people just like you. They're paying people just like you as much as $25 to $35 per hour to do simple tasks such as posting Facebook status updates, uploading videos to YouTube, tweeting special offers and promotions, commenting and liking YouTube videos, and many more easy social media jobs. You don't need any previous experience, just a knowledge of how to use social media sites such as Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, and a few spare hours each week. You get paid directly into your bank account at the end of each week, and you can begin work right away. We have employers currently hiring people from all over the world for jobs just like these right now. It just takes a couple of minutes. Try it now.
I've been doing social media management for a couple of years now, and I work with about 4 or 5 clients at a time, helping them to reply to comments and direct messages, or even posting their promotional content. And I've never had any formal marketing training, but the work is mainly common sense, and if you know how to use the major social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and even YouTube, then you're really well on your way already. And the best advice I would give to anyone looking to get into this business is don't be intimidated. If I can do it, anyone can do it.